Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the text-to-video feature on DreamFace AI to create stunning videos from simple text to prompts. Keep in mind that this feature requires payment to generate the final product. First, launch the DreamFace AI app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the home screen, look for the text-to-video option. Tap on it to open the feature. Now, you'll see a text box where you can type your desired prompt. Be as descriptive as possible to get better results. Below the text box, you may find options to adjust video length, style, or other settings. Customize these based on your preferences. Once you're satisfied with your prompt and settings, click the Generate button. Since this feature requires payment, you'll be prompted to complete the payment process before the video starts generating. If you're happy with the result, just click Download to save it to your device or share it directly from the other apps. And that's how you use the text to video feature on DreamFace AI.